every Windows user must know this utility feature. If you are a Windows user just like me, you must know this feature or utility tool called Power Twice Settings. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you about the special tool called, which is a utility tool for any Windows users, that is Power Twice Settings. So it basically does is it helps us to edit or customize our dashboard or systems or Windows layouts or input output or file management, etc., and more advanced to it there as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, simply open your Power Twice Settings, and as you can see, it gives us many commands for the advanced paste option. Here you can simply try it out. Let me try just some random sample for you. As it says, when I press Windows Shift B, it opens the advanced tab, paste window mode. It gets you to the data according to the your requirement as a markdown, maybe or JSON or .txt file, or simply as a plain text. You can do much more than that. You can also pick a color from here. You can also learn from about the environment variables. You can resize your image. You can look at your how you want to look your find my mouse button. You can peek here, you can use the screen ruler, etc. You can learn about much more things. So let me just give you a quick overview over here, as you can go in depth of each topic like this from here, which I showed you earlier, like as these are the system tools here. And for Windows and layout, you can also set out what you want on always to be on top, or what you want always to be on bottom. And you can also use the file management system over here, where you can simply use add-ons like for the file explorer. So file is locksmith, image resizer, etc. So you can check it out on your own from here. So this is one of the tools which you probably need to install for more upgradable feature and experience while launching Windows. So hope this video was helpful. Hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.